Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text alignment and text direction. And right now we are going to be talking about the CSS vertical alignment with negative length value. But right now, as you can see right here, we are having this our vertical align property, and we are going to set the vertical alignment using this property. But we are going to be specifying negative value in it. Back to our document quickly. I don't want to talk too much on this. As you can see, this is our CSS text align playlist. You can check it, or you can check our CSS text alignment playlist for you to be able to follow along easily. This is the thing we are targeting. We are targeting this span element and this span text, and also we are targeting this image, this purple image right here. So we are going to be control it using our vertical align property. Back to our document right here. As you can see right here, we are having some positive value right here, but I'm going to specify negative values right here, and I'm going to increase it by, maybe I can increase it by 52. When I increase it by 52 and reload my document, you just keep looking at this page. You are going to see what will happen when I reload. Can you see this span text and this image jump down? Definitely we are able to control the bottom. We are going to able to control the top and the bottom, because previously we discussed about when you specify anything without negative value, you are going to see it's going to go to the top right here. As you can see, the way it's going to the top. But when you specify anything like negative right now, definitely it's going to come to the bottom. So it doesn't matter what you want, you can just do whatever you want with your document. This the limit to the is to your taste, so you can just do whatever you want with your document. That's what I want to show you guys. Please, I want you guys to practice with this negative value and the positive value. If you have to specify positive value, you are not going to put the minus there. When you specify anything without minus, definitely is you are saying you are going to the top. But when you are specifying anything with minus, definitely you are going to the bottom side. As you can see right here, this is our span and the image right here, and the thing we are targeting right here is this span and this image, which is in this our word, in this our document right here. Before I forgot, as you can see, this is our span element, and also this is our image, and all of it, they are all inside our h1 element right here. So as you can see, we are controlling this our h1 element, but we are just targeting this span element and also this image element right here. And this span element and the span element and the image element is the one you are seeing right here. So that's how we do it. Please, I want you guys to focus on this. I want you to try it to your taste. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love.